Hello students, welcome to SK Biology. Today we are going to discuss one important organelle present in all living cells, ribosome, popularly called as protein factory of cell. Ribosomes are small, dense, non-membranous ribonucleoprotein particles that acts as a site of protein synthesis. Ribosomes are composed of two components, rRNA and proteins. First time ribosome was discovered by George Emil Pallade in 1955 by using electron microscopy. So, ribosomes are also called as Pallade's particles. In cell, ribosomes are present in two different locations. One is free ribosome, which are present in cytoplasm. These free ribosomes synthesizes proteins for internal use. Another ribosome is bound ribosomes. These ribosomes are attached to rough endoplasmic reticulum, and these ribosomes are responsible for synthesis of secretory, membrane and lysosomal proteins. Ribosome has key functions in cell as they serve as a site of protein synthesis, that is translation. They facilitate binding of mRNA and tRNA, which are essential for protein synthesis. Ribosomes are involved in peptide bond formation, and it is by peptidyl transferase activity of ribosomal RNA. Ribosomes are present in both prokaryotes as well as eukaryotic cell, but there are some basic differences in composition of prokaryotic and eukaryotic ribosome. Let us understand it in detail. Prokaryotic ribosome is 70S and eukaryotic ribosome is 80S. Here S denotes Swedberg unit. Both ribosome contains small subunit which is essential for decoding of mRNA. And in eukaryote and prokaryote, both ribosomes also contains large subunit which is essential for peptidyl transferase activity. In prokaryotes, small subunit is 30S and large subunit is 50S. And in eukaryotes, small subunit is 40S and large subunit is 60S. 30S subunit contains 16S ribosomal RNA and 21 different proteins. And 50S subunit of prokaryote contains 23S and 5S ribosomal RNA along with 34 different proteins. In case of eukaryotes, 40S subunit contains 18S ribosomal RNA along with 33 different proteins, and 60S subunit contains 28S, 5.8S and 5S ribosomal RNA along with 49 different proteins. So, collectively, total number of proteins in prokaryotic ribosome is nearly 55, and total number of proteins in eukaryotic ribosome is nearly 82. Peptidyl transferase activity in prokaryote is due to 23S ribosomal RNA, and in eukaryote it is because of 28S rRNA. One common structural feature of ribosome in eukaryote and prokaryotes is it contains three sites, A, P and E site, each with specific function. A site is for amino acid entry, P site is for peptide bond formation, and E site is exit site for removal of uncharged amino acid. Another feature of ribosome is sometimes it is present in polyribosome form, as shown in figure, where single mRNA is attached with multiple ribosomes. This happens when cell required fast protein synthesis. This is all about ribosomes, the protein factory of cell.